Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the bearded grouse, a bird with a unique appearance and an equally intriguing lifestyle. Let's start with their distribution. Bearded grouse are found in the northern parts of North America, ranging from Alaska and Canada all the way down to the northern United States. They are primarily found in mountainous regions, where they thrive in the high-altitude forests and meadows. Now, let's talk about their habitat. Bearded grouse are well adapted to living in these harsh environments. They prefer areas with dense vegetation, like thickets of willow, alder, and aspen. These provide them with shelter from predators and harsh weather conditions. They also need access to open areas, like meadows and clearings, for foraging and displaying. Speaking of displaying, let's move on to their mating behavior. During the spring, male bearded grouse engage in elaborate courtship displays to attract females. They puff out their chests, spread their wings, and strut around, making a deep booming sound. They also have a distinctive beard, which they use to attract females. Once a pair has formed, the female builds a nest on the ground, often under a bush or log. She lays 4 to 8 eggs, which she incubates for about 3 weeks. The chicks are precocial, meaning they can walk and feed themselves shortly after hatching. The female takes care of the chicks for about 2 months, teaching them how to find food and avoid predators. Now, let's talk about their lifestyle. Bearded grouse are primarily herbivores, feeding on a variety of plants, including leaves, buds, berries, and seeds. They also eat insects, especially during the breeding season. They are active during the day, spending their time foraging, resting, and socializing. Bearded grouse are social animals, often forming flocks outside of the breeding season. They are also known for their strong territorial instincts, especially during the breeding season. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about the bearded grouse. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more wildlife videos. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, today we're diving into the fascinating world of the bearded partridge, a bird with a unique name and an equally unique lifestyle. Let's start with their diet, shall we? Bearded grouse are primarily herbivores, feeding on a variety of plants throughout the year. In the spring and summer, they munch on tender shoots, leaves, and flowers. As the seasons change, their diet shifts to berries, seeds, and buds. During the winter, they rely heavily on buds and twigs, especially those of willow and birch trees. They are also known to eat insects and other invertebrates, especially during the breeding season when they need extra protein. Bearded grouse are known for their unique behaviors, especially during the breeding season. The males, with their distinctive black beard under their chin, engage in elaborate courtship displays. They puff up their chests, strut around, and make booming calls to attract females. These displays can be quite impressive, and they are a sight to behold. Sadly, bearded grouse populations have been declining in recent years. Several factors contribute to this decline, including habitat loss, fragmentation, and degradation. Human activities like logging, agriculture, and development are encroaching on their natural habitats, leaving them with less space to roam and fewer resources. Climate change is also playing a role, with warmer temperatures and more extreme weather events impacting their food sources and breeding success. The conservation status of bearded grouse varies depending on the region. In some areas, they are considered a species of least concern, while in others, they are classified as vulnerable or even endangered. This highlights the importance of conservation efforts to protect these fascinating birds. There are several ways to help conserve bearded grouse populations. One crucial step is to protect and restore their natural habitats. This involves reducing habitat fragmentation, promoting sustainable forestry practices, and creating protected areas. Another important aspect is to manage hunting and trapping activities to ensure sustainable harvest levels. Raising awareness about the threats facing bearded grouse and promoting responsible land management practices are also essential for their long-term survival.